went too deep, didn't you, Monty?
Come on.
You got water in your nose?
Yeah.